All right, so this is the final presentation for Justin Luo. And begin.
Hi, my name is Justin, and this is my Unity 2 project of spring of 2023. My idea was inspired, or this project was inspired by me playing a lot of 2D platformers in general, and then there was also lesson 4 of the curriculum also had the like 2D platforming unit, so I just decided to do it. And I used if statements and wait. Wait, let me start over. I forgot to edit
It's okay,
something.
it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is the final presentation for Justin Luo, beginning now.
Hi, my name is Justin, and this is my Unity 2 project for the spring of 2023. Um, this project was inspired by me just playing a lot of 2D games in general, and also there was a 2D platforming unit uh, in lesson 4 of the curriculum, so I just did that. And then I learned about and used if statements and on trigger methods. And if statements are in my code is checking for an input for a key on the keyboard for the character to move like A and D. And the on trigger methods in my code are being used to detect when the character is colliding with something else that has colliders. It makes sure the character is on the floor before you can jump again. And this is my player movement code. We're starting out by importing all of our libraries, I guess, and then we're initializing all of our variables uh, with is grounded speed and jump power, and then we're checking if it's grounded or not, and then uh, we're getting we're getting our inputted key. So if it's D, then we're moving right, and the impulse is there to make sure that you're moving immediately after the key is pressed. And then this is my tile palette, which I use to decorate my level just a little bit. And it works by just dragging a tile from your assets folder into the palette, and then you can just freely select it and then paint it on a tile map in the code. And then here's a demo. Uh,
Don't forget to switch the screen. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So the objective is to get to that door, and you're supposed to jump and avoid the spikes. And sometimes you can fall over, which is definitely something that I want to improve in. And yeah, okay. Let me switch back my screen.
Yeah.
So my favorite part while working on this project was decorating level because it was really fun to like kind of make a tutorial and also demonstrate what I learned in class. I would improve this project by adding more levels that you could go through. Um, like if you touch the door, then you get to the next level and it progressively gets harder. And I also want to add like an actual threat, like those spikes in the level, and I wanted to like make it so you can actually die from those spikes and restart the entire thing. And I also want better player movement so the player just doesn't topple over and like start sliding on the floor instead of walking. And yeah, thank you.